Do you know Canva is not just a design tool? Yes, Canva is actually a money-making machine. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 proof out of 5 that I know very well that you can use Canva and start making massive money for yourself. Yes, and beginner friendly, okay? And I'm going to guide you step by step until we finish it. And Canva is totally free. Millions of people out there are using Canva every single day. Some of them don't even know they can use it and start making massive money for themselves. I will guide you step by step. Clock it. Let's go. Come to Chrome. So as you can see, these are my previous works I used Canva to create. There's a lot of them. Many of them have been using Canva for years. And people think that Canva is just only for design, not knowing that Canva can give you thousands of dollars. I'm telling you. Okay, I'm going to walk you through to show you how you can actually use Canva to make thousands of dollars every single month. Yes, you see this template thumbnail, you can make money through it while you design it in Canva. So I want you to watch this video, just a minute video, to show you how I created all these plans. Okay, watch this video before we continue. Come to text. So we are going to write an idea, then ideas. Bring it here, come back again. We're going to type never run out of ideas again. You minimize it. Okay, come to position. Position it very well. Nice one. We are going to write ideas, category, and notes. So these are things that we're going to bring down right now. Just again. Click 1, 2, 3. Give that space. We're doing that so that everything will be on a straight line. Okay. Nice one. Then you stretch it. Minimize. I'm going to bring this one here. Come to alignment. Go down. Down very well. Let's check this. Okay. So you draw it. Nice one. Take this one to this place. To minimize, go to transparency, okay? Reduce it, then bring it on top. Nice one. Then position it very well. You need a line. The alignment. Wipe out this one. Type line. Got it here. You click. This line is too big. We're going to reduce it, okay? Come to this place. We click here. As you can see, it's 4. Let's make it 2, okay? Get it 2. So that it will pop out for those that are using its phone, right? If you make it so much tiny, it will not pop out of phone. So that's why we'll make it 2. Turn it. Make sure it's on a straight line. Stretch the line down. This one up. Bring it here. The next thing we're going to do is to duplicate the lines. I don't want this video to be too long. Lastly, you have to zoom it. So zoom it, bring it down, draw this one, minimize. So this time around, we are going to turn this line like this. We are going to turn it like that. Let's zoom it, bring it up. So we are going to duplicate all of them down. So just duplicate, bring this one like this. This is amazing work of Claude AI and Canva. Now we have gotten it, zoom it a little bit, and bring it here, bring this one. Wow, this is good. We need a box, okay? Come to this place. Scroll down. Just scroll down. Bring it here. Minimize it. Shift it down to this place. Zoom it a little bit. I'm going to duplicate this box to fill all the lines. These are what beginners are using to make money every single day and weeks are done. So bring this one. Then close this one. Look at it here. We'll bring it down. We stretch it. Okay? To this place, reduce it, to make it 20. Need one of this line. Let's duplicate this line and bring the line here. Stretch it. So let's zoom it. We duplicate this line, turn the line down, put here. Take it up. Duplicate the line. Nice one. Reduce this all to 1. I'm going to add the light. Scroll down. Let's see this one. Click this. Let's see how. To transparency, let's reduce it this step. So we'll take it to this place. So remain one thing for us to finish. Nice one. Duplicate. You turn it on it very well. Click on this. Widen it. Make sure we are going to send this flower back. Okay? It's come to position. Come to this space black. Send it back. Good. So come to transparency. Reduce it. Nice one. This is how to create content ideas, okay? Next. Okay, let me show you as an example. See this work? Good. This is content ideas. Anything concern content out there is, people are searching how to get content ideas. People are worried. Some people are not consistent in their work. They are not consistent in their content. So they are looking for a way how to gather themselves, bring content ideas. Now, you are starting to solve their problem. That reason why you are creating these content ideas for them. and you have it in bundles. Okay, you have content workflow, you have calendar, you put all of them in bundle. Then when you package all of them in one bundle, then you take it to Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform where you can sell anything that you create in Canva and you start making your money. It's not only Gumroad. We have Eticel, we have Seller, we have a lot of them that you can launch your product and start making massive money. Yes, many people don't know about this, and people that some of them that knows about it, they are not making use of it. Canva is giving massive money. So I'm going to walk you through. Look at templates, alignment, and in Canva you cannot do aware of this alignment. It is where you create every work you want to do. Like this particular work is here. All my material I used to create this work is from this place and text. Let me show you something. You see this place? See this place? These are bundles. As you can see, content creator tracker. Before you post, content idea banks, daily content workflow. If you come down, all these are bundles, one after the other. And when you put them, all of them together, it become one bundle. Now launch it on Gumroad, Eticel, and Seller. Okay? This is how it works. So when you design all these in Canva, they will now put them as one bundle. The more you put them as one bundle, the more your money is high. So you will package them for one bundle and launch them in Gumroad or Eticel, one of them. Finish with your work. How to export it? You click share, you come to download. Then you come to this place. Do not export it in any other form except PDF print. This is the place you will export it. You click this place. When you click this place, all your work will be exported. Let's go to Gumroad. This is where everything is happening. This is where you are going to sell your product, launch your product, yeah, and start making massive money for yourself. Guys, you guys are missing a lot. Please, if you love this my video, please, I want you to go and subscribe to my channel. I've already mailed these bundles. You can go to my description link or my comments. I dropped all those links there, then download them. Okay, let's go. See this one. See their prices. Are you seeing them? Look at the prices. There are thousands of people, millions of people are making a massive money. Look at the price of this one. CNC Core, $1,524. This person placed this product. Wow, this is massive. Look at this, $46 per month. Let me show you something. Come to this place. Now, Canva templates. If you create a Canva template, then the price is $17 and you sell 12 products in a month, you are having $204, right? Then digital planners is $27 and you make 15 sales a month, you are making $405. I am using this as an example. You can make more than 30 sales in a day. You can make more than 50 sales in a day. You can make more than 100 sales in a day, talk less of it in a month. So I'm going to walk you through how you can do it here. Let's go back. Now look at it. This is Gumroad Home, products, collaborators, checkout, emails, workflows, sales, analytics, affiliates, payout, discover, and library, and so on. Now you have to register with your emails, fill the necessary forms. Know how to do. Okay, just register with your email, put your bank account, launch your product. It's not hard. Okay, we're going to search for Canva templates. Type Canva templates. Good. Are you seeing it? How to make digital products using Claude AI. Okay, look at the price, $12. I hope you are confirming what I'm saying. These are Canva templates. Use Canva to design this and sell this amount of money. Imagine you selling like 3 products in a day, or even 1 product in a day. Times it. Let me show you one of my products because I created this account for my tutorial. Let me show you something. For example, look at this product now. This is one of my products. As you can see how I designed this product through Canva. This is my product that I designed with Canva. Are you seeing it? I've placed this. I just do it this morning. As you can see, look at the price I placed this product, $27. Imagine 5 people buy these products in a day. So this is how it's been done. Thank you so much. Please, as I said earlier before, I have already made these bundles for you. You can go to my description link and download it. And if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Shalom.